Alright, Toyota Yaris. We are going to be replacing the transmission mount. This is an automatic gearbox, so I have this McKay engine mount. And unlike the right hand and lower mount, it is buried underneath here. So you have to remove the battery, the air intake box, and a whole bunch of mounts to get access to the transmission. Okay, now that the air box and the battery has been removed, just be wary of your MAF and air intake air temperature sensor cable. There's a couple of these clips you got to undo, and probably more. Okay, but we're going to be removing this battery tray, and there's a few bolts I can see. Always be a hidden one. There might be a hidden one somewhere, but that's what we need to remove to get access to the transmission mount. Okay, this is where I get a bit annoyed. Okay, so you remove these bolts, which are 12mm, and that one there, and this has a bunch of clips you got to remove, because you don't want to be messing and stuffing up any of this old ancient wiring. So yeah, remove clips. That's one you can see. The rest are, yep, I can feel them behind. That's going to be a pain, but yep, that's what you got to do to get access to the trans mount. Fun. Thanks, Toyota. Alright, some of these clips were more fun to remove than others. Just be very careful, because obviously electrical connections. But there you can see the transmission mount and the various bolts that connect it. So what I'm going to do is support the transmission under with a jack, so it doesn't fall down when I remove the bolts, and then we'll get the new transmission mount in. I support the transmission with a jack, and I've used a big piece of wood. Okay, so when we undo all the bolts, it doesn't come plummeting down. Alright, so we're gonna hunt the bolts. Obviously the big one, then there's the other ones around. 1, 2, 3, oh, there's some hidden ones, great. But yes, let's go. Down here, and one on the other side. 2 visible from the top, and then the big one. Okay, this is out. Well, it's free, but this little tab seems to be proving difficulty, so I might have to undo this. Fuse box. Goddamn Toyota. Either that, or do I try and drop the transmission lower and slide it out? That could be another option. Alright, it's out. Oh, you piece of... So, dropping the transmission doesn't really help. You need to undo the nut and the bolt for the fuse. So you can just sort of move it a tiny bit just to wiggle that piece of shit. Okay. Old mount versus new mount. I swear this tab better line up. Surely. McKay. So, I mean, this mount's actually not too bad for its age. Oh, actually, yeah, it is quite movable, but yeah, brand new McKay. Okay, yeah, you can see it has worn. Another fun, unnecessary thing to remove, this bracket for the air intake box. Because when you get the engine mount, you need to get this screw, bolt, sorry, and this nut in. And not the best. So I'm just going to remove these two to slide this out the way. And with that bracket out the way, look at this.
Shit.
Engine mount bolt, and there's a nut at the other end. And there you have it. It's in. Now to put all the rest of the crap back in.